In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation charts. We'll start by opening a chart, then switch symbols and timeframes, add a few indicators, and finish with the essential drawing tools and patterns so you can analyze price action with confidence. First, open a chart. In TradeStation Desktop, go to the Apps or Trading Apps panel and choose Chart Analysis. This launches a new chart window showing price bars for a default symbol. Think of this as your analysis canvas. Time runs along the bottom, price is on the right, and each bar or candle summarizes how price moved during the selected interval. If you work with multiple windows, you can park this chart beside your watch list or order entry, and it will update in real time as the market moves. Next, change the symbol and time frame. To switch symbols, click the symbol box on the chart's toolbar, type the ticker you want, such as AAPL, and press Enter. The chart refreshes instantly to that instrument. Now set the time frame. You can type an interval directly in the command line, 5-minute, 15-minute, 60-minute, daily, or weekly, or open the time frame menu and pick from the available choices. Use intraday intervals when you need granular detail for short-term decisions, and switch to daily or weekly when you want the bigger picture. As a quick guideline, align your time frame with your trading horizon so your signals make sense in context. Now add indicators. Right-click anywhere on the chart, choose Studies, then Add Study. You'll see hundreds of options. Moving averages help visualize trend direction and areas where price may find dynamic support or resistance. RSI highlights momentum and potential overbought or oversold conditions. MACD blends trend and momentum, making shifts easier to spot. Some indicators overlay directly on price, while others display in a subgraph below. Start with one or two so you don't crowd the chart, and focus on how each indicator supports the question you're trying to answer. You can return to the Studies menu anytime to add, remove, or fine-tune what you're using. Finally, use drawing tools and patterns to mark what matters. From the toolbar or by right-clicking, select tools like trend lines, channels, or Fibonacci retracements. Draw a clean trend line by anchoring it to two clear swing points to define direction. Use channels to frame ranges and monitor potential breakouts. Apply Fibonacci retracements to map likely pullback zones after a strong move. These annotations help you mark support and resistance, validate patterns, and plan scenarios. Keep things readable by adjusting or removing marks that no longer add value. That's the core workflow. Open chart analysis, change the symbol and time frame, add the indicators you trust, and mark up the chart with precise drawing tools. Practice on a few markets and intervals, and you'll build a consistent, repeatable approach to visual analysis in TradeStation.